In this particular tutorial, we're going to look at one of the applications in Celframe Transkata, which is Celframe Sync. The first thing we look at is files. In files, it allows you to analyze all, synchronize all files, or stop all files. It allows you to export, in which you can choose the type of exportation that you want to do, whether you want to export application settings, or export profile all job settings, or export current job settings. So choose either one of it, and we'll ask you where you want to save the current synchronization that you're going to do it. So you can choose either to save it on your desktop or in your recent places or your computer or network. Give a file name for it. There's also the save type. Just give a file name for it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Just click save and it's going to be saved in my desktop. Besides export, Celframe Sync also allows you to import, in which you can do import application settings or import profile all job settings or import current job settings. So all you have to do is click on that, whichever you want. Follow the same routine in which you did in export, where you choose a place in which you want to save your current synchronization that you're going to do, give it a name and click on open, and import the document into your documentation. So all you got to do is just say I'm going to import a particular picture or a document. I just go to the place, click on it, click on open, and it open up for me. Next, when you click on minimize to system tray, it allows you to minimize to the system tray, in which it will minimize this particular synchronization document, and when you click on exit, it will exit this document. Next in sync is the edit. In edit, you can cut, copy, paste, and even find the particular document that you want to synchronize. Then we have view. In view, we have options. When you click on options, it gives you the types of options that we have, where you can choose the application, the language, whether you want to automatically check for software updates for Celframe Sync, or start application system tray icon on system startup, open links in default browser. You can also choose the user interface options that has been given to you, whether you can choose the type of skin you want for your user interface, the toolbar in your profile window, whether you want to show logo in the profile window, show balloon when synchronizing finished successfully, show balloon when synchronization failed, display full file name, memorize window of position, and number of files per page displayed in each group. All you have to do is choose the options that you would prefer for your synchronization method. Then we have event log. You can show event log window, and you can put the amount of items in the log window that you want to put in for your log output. You can choose whether you want to save log in file. Then they have log conciseness, where you can choose whether you want to have a verbose, brief, warning, and errors only, or errors only. Then we have default profile. In default profile, you can choose the general properties, or you can choose the jobs properties. If you can click on a new job and rename them. Then we have general, in which you can see the general from what you have inputted in your default profile, and if you place a new job, you can choose the synchronized rules or automatic synchronization, inclusion and exclusion of filters, file versioning policy, error handling. So that's the use of options. And once you've already created, or once you've already chosen which is appropriate to you, click on apply. And if you think that you don't want the changes that you've made to be set into your Celframe Sync, just click on set default, and once you're done, just click on OK. Next in view, we will see show logo. We can choose whether you want to show logo, show log view, show log file. Then they have toolbar. You can choose whether you want to show the toolbar, or show with small icons, or show with large icons, or you can customize your toolbar. And then we have skin. You can choose whether you want a default skin or Windows XP skin. And click on refresh, and refresh the whole Celframe Sync for you.